Guys, I'm back with another video on how to do high puff on your short natural hair. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please click the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah guys, so let's get into the video now. So right now my hair is absolutely dry because water makes it shrink, and I'm not going to add any leave-in conditioner because I don't want my hair to shrink. So I'm going to get into the video. The first thing I would do, no, before that, you'll be needing so many things to do your high puff. You need a comb or combs. I'm going to use my coconut oil because I don't want to use any leave-in conditioner, and this oil is actually not going to shrink my hair. And then you definitely need a gel, and I'm going to use my Eco Stylized gel, and apparently hairband, but I am legit using my shoelace so that I can easily adjust the band. So I will start by combing my hair out. My hair has grown a lot, like I am even surprised myself. I am very surprised and happy at the same time. So 1st of February is going to make it completely 2 months. 2 months since I chopped my hair. To make it easier for me, I'm going to add this coconut oil. Then I'll comb it out. Now it is very easy to comb, and my fingers can run through my hair. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my gel. You can also do a high puff without using any gel, but I want my hair to slick down a bit here. That's the only reason I'm using this gel right now. And I forgot to add that you'll be needing a brush, any brush that is very soft. So you can use it in slicking down your hair. Need to add more gel at the back. So now after doing this, I'm going to take my band. Like I told you, I'm using my shoelace. So I'll pass it to the back and then take it here and cross it. So what I'll do is I'll push the one at the back a little bit and then I adjust it using this one here. Then I'll like push it up a bit and then adjust it. So I think I'm cool here. I'm going to just take it back and tie it. So here's it. And then I'm going to be using this hair tie to wrap down my slicked hair so that it will be firm and apparently last long. And then I would comb out here because I love big puffs, so I want this to apparently be big enough even though my hair is short. I'm going to have this on for 5 minutes and then I will try doing my edges. I don't want to start using edge control, so I'm still going to use my Eco Styler to do the edge. So guys, it's past 5 minutes and I've removed the band. So I'm going to use this toothbrush and my Eco Styler to see if we can do some magic with our edges. So guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm still going to tie my band right now because I want these edges to lie low, you know. So I'm going to tie the band for 5 more minutes so that my edges can slick as well. So I'm just going to repeat what I did before. And I'll have this on for 5 minutes, and after that I'll get back to you guys. So it's 5 minutes and I'm gonna loosen this band. So how do I look? Pretty, beautiful. My hair is popping, my hair is on fleek, you know. Yeah, so you can easily make high puff and that's your short natural hair. Stop being lazy, get to work, man. Do something with your hair. Stop covering it up with wig and all those stuff, you know. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, please, I repeat, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Where are all my naturalistas? Where are you guys? Drop your comment below. Let me know what you think about my high puff on short natural hair. See you guys in my next video, and until then, bye bye.